In this menu, we are talking about the Windows 11, some of the hidden features or tricks. So the first hidden feature I will talking about is the Windows context menu. So if you right click on Windows desktop in Windows 11, you will see that it's not showing the full menu. Also, like if you right click on any folder or this PC, it's not showing the full menu. For seeing the full menu, you have to click this show more options, then it will show the full menu. Show more options, it will show you the full menu. So if you want to see the full menu by right clicking, so the easiest method in Windows 11 is that press and hold the shift button and then right click. You will see the full menu. So again, we right click on this PC, but before that we just press and hold the shift button and now right click on this PC. So now you can see we are seeing the full menu. The second thing I want to talk about is the Windows Start button. In Windows 11, the Start button is in the middle of the screen. So if you want to see the Start button or move it to the left side of the screen, same like you had it in Windows 10 or the earlier version, so right click on the taskbar, select taskbar settings, and then come to taskbar behavior, and then expand this. And now here is the drop-off list. So you can select left, the start button will be shifted to the left side of the screen. If you select center back, it will come back to the center. So we select left and close the window. So it's same like Windows 10 or the earlier versions. The third thing is the startup apps. So if your Windows takes a lot of time when you restart it or reboot it, so there must be a lot of startup apps starting when you restart the Windows. So you can right click on the start menu button and then select settings, and there just click on apps and now see the startups. Just click on the startups and you will see all the apps that's you can see in the startups. So any app that has the toggle on, it means this app is starting in the startup. When your computer is booting and you log in, this app will automatically start. The apps that has the toggle off, it means these apps we stopped them from starting in the startup. So if you don't need any apps, you can just toggle them off and then they will not start in the Windows startup, and it will speed up your computer and save you some rebooting time. And the last trick I want to mention in this video is the virtual desktop. If you want to see, like you have opened a lot of apps on this screen and you want to see another virtual desktop, so in Windows 11 you can press the Windows key, then hold it and press Control key and then press the D. So it will automatically open a new virtual desktop for you, so you can work on it. And if you want to see all your virtual desktop, there is an icon virtual desktop. For the virtual desktop, you can see I have 3 virtual desktops open right now. I can also open a virtual desktop from here by clicking the plus icon, or I can close any virtual desktop I want by clicking the X icon from here. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, comment down below. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.